Hi everyone, James here from Supreme Systems. At the Supreme office, we use our Outlook calendar to book on-site visits, meetings and projects for our customers so all of the staff can see them. This useful tool helps to keep the team organised and aware of what they need to do for the day. It is especially handy when you need to know if a work colleague is available or not to attend a meeting. So how do you share your Outlook calendar with others? For today's video, I will show you how to do this. To share a calendar within Outlook, go to your calendar section within Outlook. Then at the top, click on Share Calendar, select which calendar you'd like to share. By default, you can share it with anyone in the organisation, what permission level they have. But if you click on Add, you can share it with people in your address book if you have anyone in there, or you can just type an email address in down here. Then just click on OK, and then select what permission they have. So I'll just add, that, but I'll just add myself there. So obviously I've set myself to can view all details. You can do it to view type locations. It can view when I'm busy. If you go to people within your organisation, they get different settings, so you can have edit access to it, and so on. Apply. Okay, now they will have access to that calendar. Now, to add a calendar, all you've got to do is just go to Add Calendar at the top. And obviously, you can do it from the address book if you've got that user in your address book, or you can click on Open Shared Calendar. From here, you can type in the email address of the user that shared the calendar with you. So I'll just put my email address in here. Click on OK. And then as you can see, it's added that calendar, and it's showing up below shared calendars down here.
I hope this simple fix helped you today. If you have any issues or simple fixes to resolve, comment down below and we will feature your issue on our next video. Thank you for watching. Bye for now. Help Desk 101, Simple Fixes.